Robert Church kicks it off. Henry Hewitt falls on the ball. Chicago Rogers takes the handoff, breaks a couple of tackles, crosses the 20. Gets the ball out. Again, handoff to Chicago Rogers, spins, finds a hole, crosses the 30. Wrestled down at the 33, and that is... Pierce LaPrey, straight up the middle. Crosses the 35. Chicago takes the handoff, slips the tackle, crosses midfield into Ledyard territory. Down to the 32. And around Travis Zarowski. Tries to get outside, pushes his way through. Chicago takes the handoff again. Still on his feet. Chicago Rogers follows up right. Brandon Caffrey drops back to pass to the whistle. Brandon Caffrey throws it deep. Runs straight up the middle. Gain of maybe. And around to number 1. Jeffrey Fontaine gets it in the backfield. Big loss on the play. Screen pass number 12. Nowhere to go. Loss of about 3. Punt almost blocked. Ledyard. Chicago Rogers takes the handoff. Brandon Caffrey will keep it. Nick Davis takes the ball, hooks the middle. Nick Davis takes the ball, tries to push his way. Screen pass falls incomplete. That's a fumble. Ledyard 12 runs straight up the middle, gain of a yard.